Let's discuss centroid of the triangle. Centroid of a triangle with vertices A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 and C x3 comma y3. See, this is the triangle A B C. A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2, C x3 comma y3. Okay. Next, draw medians. Every triangle has exactly 3 medians. This is the centroid of the triangle O, x comma y. Naming this figure D, E, F. Here D is exactly midpoint of line segment BC. Okay, D is exactly midpoint. We know midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, here dx is x2 plus x3 by 2. dy is y2 plus y3 by 2. And centroid divides the median in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, centroid divides the median in the ratio of 2:1. Here we know m1 is to m2 is 2:1. Okay, see line segment AD O is the centroid of the triangle, divides line segment in the ratio of 2:1. Coordinates of AO x1 comma y1, D x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. Okay, we know section formula m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, here coordinates of O are Ox equal to 2 into x2. x2 is x2 plus x3 by 2 plus m2 into x1, 1 into x1 by m1 plus m2. Here m1 is 2, m2 is 1. Okay, 2 get cancelled. Here we have x2 plus x3, 1 into x1 by 2 plus 1, 3. Therefore Ox equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Okay, in same way Oy equal to m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, m2 into y1 plus m1 into y2 by m1 plus m2. Okay, m2 is 1 into y1, 1 into y1, m1 is 2 into y2, y2 is y2 plus y3 by 2 by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 1, 2 get cancelled. Here y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 2 plus 1, 3. Hence centroid of the triangle Ox comma y equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, see this example. Find the centroid of the triangle with vertices 2, 3, 4, minus 6 and 3, 3. We know formula for centroid of the triangle. X, y is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 plus y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, here this x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. 2 plus 4 plus x3 is 3 by 3. y1 is 3, y2 is minus 6, y3 is 3 by 3. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 by 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 minus 6, 0 by 3. Therefore, coordinates of O are 3 times 3, 0. Okay. Therefore, centroid of the triangle is 3, 0.